Who enjoys the wild tech rodeo? Certainly not us, software engineers, cloud developers, and solution architects. As I look back to my adventures through the AWS cloud environments using Terraform, it becomes clear that each challenge was a vital piece in the tech big picture. In those times, vividly captured in my article, Mastering the Cloud, My Story of Surviving the Toughest Times as a Software Engineer, I almost lost myself in the maze of cloud aisles as I learned to keep up with the zeitgeist and got my hands dirty managing and deploying scalable cloud applications. So when IBM announced its $6.4 billion acquisition of HashiCorp on April 24, 2024, it wasn't just news to me. It was a flashback to every line of code that either sailed smoothly or made me sweat in front of my screen. This move isn't merely a shift in business tactics. It's a visionary stride towards smoothing out the turbulent waves of hybrid cloud platforms and artificial intelligence applications. A journey every techie aboard the cloud ship hopes to be less choppy. So let's delve deeper, but first, we need to demystify some key terms. DevOps tools that HashiCorp specializes in. HashiCorp has carved out a niche in the DevOps community with a suite of tools designed to automate and streamline the software development and deployment process. Notably, their tools like Terraform and Vault are the linchpins in this deal. Let's have a closer look at what each tool offers and how it enhances both agility and productivity. Terraform. This infrastructure as code tool enables developers to define and provision data center infrastructure using a declarative configuration language. It supports a wide array of cloud providers to facilitate the creation, management, and alteration of infrastructure resources in a consistent and repeatable way. Whether you are deploying to AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, or beyond, Terraform makes it possible to manage your infrastructure with code housed in your version control system. Vault. Security is paramount in the DevOps world, and Vault addresses this by managing secrets such as API keys, passwords, and certificates securely. Vault provides a unified interface to any secret, enforces strict access control, and logs detailed audit trails. This not only helps protect sensitive data, but also aids in compliance with security regulations. Packer focuses on creating consistent machine images from single source configuration. Packer automates the creation of these images across multiple platforms. This includes virtual machines, containers, and cloud-based images. By simplifying the image creation process, Packer helps ensure that the software runs identically, regardless of where it's deployed. Vagrant. This tool is all about providing a consistent development environment. By using Vagrant, developers can build and manage virtual machine environments through a simple workflow. It supports various providers like VirtualBox, VMware, and AWS, and creates a development environment that mirrors the production setup. This consistency fosters a more reliable development lifecycle and removes common works on my machine issues. Nomad, a straightforward and versatile workload orchestrator. Nomad handles the deployment and management of both containerized and non-containerized applications. Its simplicity and flexibility make it an ideal choice for integrating with existing workflows and tools. This leads to efficient application deployment across various environments. Consul. As a service networking solution, Consul automates network configuration, service discovery, and secure connectivity across diverse cloud or runtime environments. It acts as a control plane with robust features for service discovery, configuration, and orchestration. In other words, it streamlines the management of microservices architectures. What does this acquisition mean? Now, why is IBM, a seasoned voyager in the tech world, docking its ship at HashiCorp's harbor? The answer lies in the synergy between IBM's vast capabilities and HashiCorp's innovative tools. This acquisition is expected to create a comprehensive end-to-end hybrid cloud platform that could handle the AI-driven complexities today's businesses face. It's like combining an experienced captain with the most advanced navigational tools. Together, they promise to steer through the turbulent waters of modern cloud applications with greater ease. For software engineers, software architects, and cloud developers, this acquisition means several exciting things. First, we can expect an influx of integrated solutions that make deploying, managing, and securing cloud infrastructure smoother than ever. No more bumpy rides when scaling operations or ensuring robust security across multiple cloud environments. Moreover, the union of IBM's expertise with HashiCorp's tools could accelerate innovation by making cutting-edge cloud technology more accessible and efficient. It's like upgrading from a rugged dirty path to a sleek superhighway. In practical terms, for those tinkering with code and infrastructure, IBM's acquisition could lead to enhancement of how Terraform and Vault integrate with other IBM products and services, particularly those under the Red Hat umbrella. This could simplify workflows and create a more unified user experience. Think less jumping between different tools and more streamlined operations. However, beyond the technical benefits, there is broader implications for the job market. With IBM's global reach and deep resources, professionals skilled in HashiCorp's technologies are likely to find themselves in higher demand. Companies using these tools will want tech wizards who can leverage this new ecosystem to its fullest. To craft the future tech landscapes, clear and straightforward communication about error handling, security protocols, and system integrations will be crucial. This acquisition promises to not only enhance these aspects, but also to bring them under a more standardized and robust framework. HashiCorp offers several tools that form a comprehensive ecosystem to help organizations automate and manage their infrastructure, applications, and service more efficiently. The strategic move by IBM of acquiring such a giant in the cloud infrastructure sector is actually a masterstroke in navigating the cloud complexities of tomorrow. The IBM HashiCorp storyline is not just news, it's a script for the next big chapter, a more interconnected and automated tech landscape. So buckle up for smoother sailing and triumphant breakthroughs in DevOps and cloud computing. Excited about diving deeper into the world of software architecture? This video is just the beginning. Check out my Udemy video course on software architecture, where I explore these concepts further and dive into real-world challenges. The link to the course is in the video description below. And here is a bonus. Subscribe to my newsletter and you will get free access to all my courses. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more updates and tech insights. See you next time.